guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this really easy, clean, simple, girly makeup look for back to school. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching, and I'll have all my social media linked down below so you can go follow me. But first, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. I'm going to first be applying my tinted moisturizer. I don't apply actual moisturizer because this is pretty moisturizing, but this is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen, and it's in the shade Natural Radiance. I really like this because it's really thin and it gives you a really nice glow, so you don't need to add like highlighter. Couldn't think of the word. So I just shook that up a little bit and applying just that looks good. I don't like to add too much and I don't want it to get cakey. So I'm just gonna move that with my hands. Just like that. I like to do it with my hands because then you're actually putting it on like it's a moisturizer. I will add a lip balm after I wipe my lips off because I hate when I get foundation on my lips. You know that feeling? Oh my gosh, I can't open this. Okay, and then that's just prepping my lips for a gloss that we're going to put on at the end. And you can definitely add more of the tinted moisturizer because it doesn't give too much coverage, but I only added a little bit. So if you want to do that, that would be great if you have more of like an acne prone skin. Right now I only have that little spot on my head, but we'll cover that in a minute. But I'm going to brush my eyebrows up like this. And I'm using a different eyebrow pencil. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I really like this one because it has like an edge to it, so you can apply the product better. And this is in the shade, I was using a 4.5, but then I'm using a 5 right now. And this one's just kind of like a browner color. And this one's like a brown black, which I feel like goes better with my eyebrows. Where's the lid? I'm holding it, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. But I'm using this little mini one because I feel like these are cheaper than buying the bigger ones. I was being cheap that day, but I like it because I can put it in my purse easily too. And then I'm just going to fill in the natural shape of my brow and overline it a little bit because I'm missing some hair on my side of my eyebrows. I've always had like no hair right here. So I don't apply that much product right here except just to outline my eyebrow and create a better shape. But yeah, I mostly just add more product on the sides where I have no hair. Just go over it to blend it out. See? It's not too bad. My brows are done. Brows are something that I just have to do before I go out. Like I could wear no makeup, but I have to have my brows done because my brows are just awful. So I'm just going to use some concealer. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me. The wording was cut off, so I said Fit Me concealer, and this is the shade Fair Claire. A little bit, not too much, and then right where my blemish is. Pat, don't rub, people. And then I have like a spot on my chin. I guess it's like a little scar from a blemish I had. And it won't go away. I'm gonna bring it up onto my eyelid as well for a base. I felt like I always, like whenever I put it directly on my eyelid, the concealer, it just made it cakey throughout the day and would crease and stuff. So I just carry it above for my base. Dab. Now I'm adding some powder. I'm using my NYX HD Finish Powder. And I don't like to add a lot of powder recently. I just feel like it makes me look cakey. Also because it's still hot outside. We're not necessarily in the fall weather yet. So I don't like to add too much powder because then it just gets all cakey and gross. And you know, it's just not a cute feeling. So anywhere shiny, like right here. And like in my T-zone area, my chin, where I concealed, I add some powder. And then I dab right there. Okay. Right here as well. And after that, I'm gonna go with my bronzer. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula in the shade Light Bronzer. Yeah. I'm taking this blending brush and using it as an eyeshadow. I'm gonna go on my nose for a little bit of contour. I'm gonna go back up here a little bit. And then you can stop there, but I'm gonna go in again with my big brush and do a little bit of a contour, like a bronzer, warm up my face, whatever. Whoa, that was a lot, but oh well. Using the same brush, and I'm gonna be using my Milani in Romantic Rose Blush. Ooh. It's really pretty. Very natural. I'm just tapping on. A little bit on the chin, to the nose, neck. I'm adding mascara. This is the Superfan Found Out Mascara. Right now I've been like less about face makeup and more about eyelashes. So I'm gonna be adding a couple coats and I'll come back when it's done because it's gonna take forever. I love this mascara. I feel like with like less makeup and more mascara, it looks like it like gives the illusion of like you have eyelash extensions, I feel like. I don't know, I just like it a lot. So I really like that mascara. Again, that was the Superfan Found Out Mascara by Smashbox. Totally recommend. I think it's just in like the regular black color, but it looks like this. Yeah, don't they pretty? For setting spray, I'm using the Mist Congeniality Rosewater Hydro Mist. And then for my lip product, I decided to use the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Haven't used this in forever. It's like a really pretty nude. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.